What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
Many people avoid buying old, worn-out homes because they're not habitable and cost enormous sums for the restoration, as it takes a lot of time for that, and they prefer buying new homes or building their houses. But in this story that we'll show you, this man bought an old house. Finally, he shocked his neighbors when he finished restoring it. This old house is located 5 minutes from the passenger transport bus station, and it's only 100 meters away from the school, shops, and other facilities, which makes it in a good location. But what made everyone not think of using it is that it's very old and its walls are worn out, although its courtyard is 80 square meters. Someone came to buy this house, which made his neighbors laugh at the plan, because it was eroded and unusable according to their opinion. The man did not care about the neighbor's reaction. All he was concerned about was that the price of the house was very low, and he gets it. The man initially thought that he should demolish the entire house in order to completely rebuild it. But one of his friends, who works as an architect, and after examining the house, assured him that the walls are sound and durable, and that all he has to do is change the roof, repair the walls, and redesign the house from the inside. The man relied on his friend's advice. He repaired the house from the inside and tore down some of the interior walls, then removed the roof, brought the necessary building materials, and began installing the roof. After 3 days had passed, the man finished installing the roof and then connected the house to electricity, water, gas, and sewage networks, because he noticed that he would need it when switching to work inside the house, as he prepared the walls and painted them, and installed the main door of the house and windows, and when he finished completely from the outside of the house. Inside the house, the man hired some plumbing professionals who distributed gas and water pipes when they finished, and the man continued to work alone at home. The owner of the house relied on the internet for building and preparing the house from the inside, as it restored and moistened the walls, then put wooden stairs leading to the second floor. What distinguished this house was its proximity to all the necessary facilities, as it was only hundreds of meters away from the warehouse selling construction materials, as it was close to a warehouse selling wood and another to sell plumbing materials, which made its owner profit a lot of time in its completion. After the man finished installing the electricity, he prepared the floor with wood, then he prepared the kitchen in a modern way, and bought all the necessary equipment for it. He also prepared the shower and the bathroom well, and made sure that the colors were beautiful and consistent. The man designed the house from the inside, where he got 3 rooms and a guest room, a spacious kitchen, and a shower and a bathroom, and the second floor contains 2 rooms and a balcony. As the man was keen to buy new furniture for the home, he used the remaining amount for the purposes that his family members chose, so that he could fill the house with everything that's beautiful and luxurious. The man did not forget the garden of the house, as he planted the natural flowers in front of the house, then put a beautiful wooden fence surrounding the house, and made a wooden gate so that he could enter his car into the yard of the house. Although this project took about a whole year from this man who did not despair, as he made a great effort to complete it, and he committed some mistakes during his work, the final design of the house was acceptable and beautiful, and it astonished everyone who saw it. The man was determined to build the house with his arms, and he only used information from the internet. The cost of this 2-story house did not exceed $300,000, even though those watching it believed that its owner had spent twice the amount on it, which made many neighbors who laughed at this man at first, approaching him to obtain some information in order to build houses similar to his, as they were allowed to enter his home to get to know him closely, and he also gives them some advice that may be useful in building their homes in the future. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.